The 3 best apps to learn to program. Want to learn how to code but don't know where to start? You don't need expensive courses or a computer science degree. With the right apps, you can start coding from your phone or tablet anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a complete beginner or want to sharpen your skills, today we're revealing the 3 best apps to learn programming, and trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. Let's jump in. 3 Grasshopper, best for learning JavaScript platforms, iOS and Android, Mo language, JavaScript. A 100% free, created by Google. Want to build websites or create interactive apps? Then JavaScript is a must-learn language and Grasshopper makes it super easy. A. Developed by Google, high-quality lessons from real engineers. O. Drag and drop coding, no typing needed, perfect for absolute beginners. Quick mini games, learn JavaScript through fun puzzles. A downside, it only teaches JavaScript, so if you want Python or C++, you'll need another app. A why it's great, it's completely free and teaches one of the most in-demand coding languages to learn. Solo learn. Best for learning multiple languages. Platforms, iOS and Android, Sawaii languages, Python, Java, Swift, HTML, JavaScript and more, all free with optional pro version. If you're not sure which programming language to learn, Solo Learn gives you access to a wide variety in one app. A community-driven learning. Ask questions and get answers from other coders or real-time coding challenges. Test your skills in fun competitions. A step-by-step tutorials, great for both beginners and advanced learners. A downside, some advanced courses require the pro version. Or why it's great. If you want to explore multiple programming languages, Solo Learn gives you tons of options in one place, one date. Mimo, best for beginners. A platforms, iOS and Android, Java languages, Python, JavaScript, HTML, SQL and more. A free and paid plans available. If you are a total beginner, Mimo is the perfect app to get started. It breaks coding down into bite-sized lessons, making it easy to learn even if you only have 5 minutes a day. Interactive exercises code directly in the app. A gamified learning. Earn streaks and achievements to stay motivated, build real-world projects, create websites, automate tasks and more. Or downside, the best features are locked behind a paid subscription. A why it's great. If you want to start coding with zero experience, Mimo is a fun and easy way to do it. Which app should you pick? Want a beginner-friendly experience? Mimo. And looking for multiple languages? Solo Learn. Grasshopper. Want to master JavaScript? The Grasshopper. Which app are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you, hit that like button, it really makes a difference.